Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I am back with another review and today I am going to review Roundups. So Roundup is a tool that lets you generate various product research reports and you can do that by AI. You do not have to add any elements, any writing or any media. The AI is going to add all the relevant things for certain products, and in terms of products, you can import products from Amazon or also AppSumo, which means if you're doing affiliate business with AppSumo or Amazon, this tool can be super helpful for you because it can write very thorough product research reports based on certain products. And once you get these reports, you also have all the customization options. You can add media, you can change the style of the text, you can change the formatting. So there are multiple customization options in order to change your reports. And Roundups is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $100, but at AppSumo you're getting this tool at only $49. And keep in mind the price is going to increase after 3 days. So if you want to buy this tool, make sure you hurry. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the tiers on top that you can see. The tier 1 is going to cost $49. Here you can create 10 roundups. And on the tier 2, the price is going to be $149 with 50 roundup. But if you want to create unlimited roundup, in that case you have to opt for the tier 3, that is going to cost $399. And then you can also see how many items you can keep per roundup, maximum items. So on the tier 1, you can keep 10 items or products, and 25 on tier 2 and 50 on tier 3. And then there are also some other features such as the reports are going to be SEO optimized. You can use unlimited words, and the writing pieces are available in 50+ languages. You can earn affiliate commission from Amazon as well as impact for AppSumo. You can directly publish or share your reports to WordPress, which is amazing on all of the tiers. You can also regenerate the roundup if you do not like a particular one. And then the roundups are available for both AppSumo products as well as Amazon products. So if you want to buy roundup on a lifetime deal on AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how this tool is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So here's the roadmap of Roundup, and on the left side you can see all the features that are currently suggested by the users, and you can also see how many people have upvoted. So Roundup for professional services, 15 people have upvoted this, and then changing products, add single product review. So there are multiple features on this roadmap on the suggested section, as you can see. So here are all of them. And then there are also 3 planned features such as more templates and the search feature and alternate method of connecting to WordPress. And then there are also some features that are already on the platform, which means they are added, such as unpublishing, WordPress integration, Amazon ES integration, as well as AppSumo integration. So now let me show you how you can use Roundup. So once you register, you have to provide some information such as your name. So let me do that. And then you have to describe why do you want to use Roundup. So it could be just researching product or SEO content or earn passive income. So I'm going to select this researching product for myself and then continue. Now as you can see, currently we are on the Roundup page, which means now we will generate the report, generate the writing piece, generate the article for products on Amazon, or it could also be AppSumo. For example, if I want AppSumo, I have to select this. So I'm just going to keep it Amazon when I want to pick products from Amazon. So this is going to be the primary data source. And then I have to tell Roundup about my interest or audience. For example, my audience is going to be teenagers. So now all I have to do is click on next. And now we are on this focus step. So for creating the roundup, we have completed this first step, which is the data source. So it is from Amazon products. And now we have to adjust these focus settings. So what should the roundup or the reports or the writing pieces focus on? And keep in mind, selecting only one category will result in a more focused roundup. And if you select multiple, then the result is going to be broader in terms of the roundups. And you can also add SEO data to include certain keywords in your content and optimize the report or the writing piece for Google search. So these are some pre-given options. These are some options that I can choose from, or I can also create my own category. If I click on this, then I can write my own category on here. But for example, I just want to pick from this. I want to pick this wireless earbuds, and then I can also see the SEO data. So here the SEO data, I can also see based on this particular product category that I selected, how many keywords are there, and also their search volume as well as their competition level. So I can also add certain keywords. For example, I want to add this keyword. All I have to do is just mark it, and then I want to click on this next. So now we are in the style section or the style step. So here we have to choose the writing style, and in terms of the writing style we have to choose a tone. So it could be conversational, informative, persuasive, humorous. I want to keep it conversational, and then choose the language. So these are all the different language options that I can choose from. So I'm just going to keep it English, and then I have to choose the point of view of writing. It could be first person. So the point of view is going to use I, we, or it could be second person or third person. I think second person is going to be the best. So I'm just going to keep it. And then I can also choose a format. So as you can see, for single product, here is a format, and then head to head, 2 product, and then 3 columns. So I can also choose the format. I'm just going to keep it 3 column, and there is also this ranker format if you're interested in that. And if you want a comparison table of the products, you can also mark this, but if you do not want that, just keep it empty. So I want to include a comparison table. Now all I have to do is just click on next. Okay, so the AI has probably generated some headlines for this particular report that I want to create. And as you can see, these are some very good headlines. But if I do not want that, I can also write one manually on here on this particular box. I can also get 10 more headline ideas from here. So the AI is going to regenerate some more headlines. So for example, I want to keep this third one. So I'm just going to mark it and then click on next. And now we are on the last step, which means we have to choose the products. So here are some products that are already recommended. I can also add them. But if I do not like this, if I do not like these existing products, I can also add my own. I have to click on add your own and then provide the Amazon URL in order to add a certain product. But I want to add some from here. For example, I want to add this one, and then this one, and then also this one. So now all I have to do is go to the top and then click on create roundup. And as you can see, now we are in the dashboard, and this is the roundup list. So here I can see all of the roundup or all of the writing pieces or the reports that are generated by the AI. So the report that I just generated, it is now on the generation process. So it is going to take some time in order to get generated. And then I'm going to show you what I have got from the AI. Okay, so the roundup has been generated. As you can see, this status is currently in draft, which means I have not yet published. And then I can also view it. So let me see what I have got. So here's the article or the roundup, as they say in this particular tool. So here's the headline, and then you can also see the intro on here, and then 3 products that I have added. And the AI has also ranked them according to best overall, best value, as well as best premium. And how did it selected them? It is also here. And here is the product, single product review, individual review. So you can even see the pros and cons on each, and then why you will love them, and perfect for every occasion. Then you can see the current price as well as the rating, total ratings, and the buy now button. And just like this, on each of the product you have the description, like what people say, pros and cons, why you will love them, and also perfect for exactly what occasion. So this is the product review. And then there are also some FAQs, which means frequently asked questions, as well as wrapping up, which means the conclusion. And here's the comparison table. So if you remember, I wanted it to include a comparison table. So here's that. Here I can see the comparison with rating, highlights, pros and cons, price. And also we have the buy now buttons on here. And if you have noticed, on the left side there is also meta description. So meta description for this article, as well as the cover image or the thumbnail image. And obviously you can edit this particular description as well as the cover image. So here you can edit the cover image, and you can also completely edit this article by clicking on this. So as you can see, the editing options have now opened. So now obviously you can regenerate. You can also drag and drop each product. You can also change the rank, reorder and rewrite. And then there are all the text formatting options on top. You can also attach various files on here. So everything that you see on this article is customizable. All you have to do is just click on that, and then you can also remove them. You can also upload another image. You can also edit the title, edit the overall text of this article from here. And obviously you were probably wondering how to add your affiliate ID or how to add your affiliate link. So you do not have to add the affiliate link. All you have to do is just add your Amazon affiliate ID. So once you add the ID, you can also earn commissions through your affiliate program on Amazon. And you can also do the same for AppSumo. So these are all the different editing options. And once the editing has been completed, you can also publish it directly to using a direct link, or you can also publish it to WordPress. So there is WordPress integration on Roundup. So this is how basically each of the Roundup is going to work. And there are some pre-made roundups on the right side, so you can also get inspired by seeing them, by reading them. And on the left side, you can obviously create another roundup if you want. You can also see all of your roundup on here. You can see all the integrations. So there are 3 different integrations, such as the Amazon affiliate integration, AppSumo affiliate integration, and the WordPress publishing integration. So for example, for Amazon, we have to provide the default Amazon store as well as the affiliate ID, and then you can super easily add all the products, and those products are going to appear with your affiliate link. And you can do the same for AppSumo on here. And you can obviously connect your WordPress account from here. Connect just WordPress or WordPress.com. And there are also some account settings that you can change from here. So overall, I think Roundups is an excellent tool that lets you create various articles for Amazon products or AppSumo products. You can use these articles in order to earn AppSumo commission or Amazon commission super easily. And the best part is you do not have to write any article manually. All you have to do is just provide some information, and then you have to select the format, select the writing style, and the AI is going to write everything, including the affiliate links, including comparison table, including ranking for products. So for product reviews, Roundups is going to be an excellent tool in terms of Amazon as well as AppSumo. So if you want to buy this tool from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, these are 3 tiers. And on the left side, you can see all of the features that you are going to get with this particular tool. And keep in mind, the price is going to increase after 3 days. So if you want to buy this tool, make sure you hurry.
So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.